Imagine being inside the stomach of a whale, in complete darkness. Imagine being trapped, deep inside the ocean, inside the stomach of a giant whale, surrounded by darkness from every side. No family, no escape, no light. Yet from that darkness, one door shook the heavens. This is the story of Prophet Yunus alayhi salam. Allah sent Prophet Yunus alayhi salam to guide his people toward the truth. He warned them to leave their sins, to stop worshipping false gods, and return to Allah. But they mocked him. They ignored his message again and again, day after day, year after year. Yunus alayhi salam kept calling them toward Allah, but very few listened. Eventually, sadness and anger filled his heart. Yunus alayhi salam left his people before Allah commanded him to leave. He walked away, believing punishment would soon come upon them. He then boarded a ship sailing across the sea. But suddenly, the ocean became violent. Powerful waves crashed against the ship. The people feared they would drown. The ship was too heavy. The sailors decided someone had to be thrown overboard. They drew lots, and the name of Yunus alayhi salam appeared. But they refused. He was a righteous man. They tried again. Once more. His name appeared. A third time. The same result. Yunus alayhi salam understood. This was Allah's decree. He threw himself into the sea. Then Allah commanded a giant whale to swallow Yunus alayhi salam. But the whale did not harm him. Inside the whale, Yunus alayhi salam experienced darkness unlike anything imaginable. Darkness of the night, darkness of the ocean, darkness inside the whale, alone, with nobody except Allah. And there, Yunus alayhi salam realized his mistake. He turned back to Allah with complete sincerity. He cried out, La ilaha illa anta subhanaka inni kuntu minaz zalimin. Translation: There is no God except you. Glory be to you. Indeed, I was among the wrongdoers. Quran 21:87. Allah heard him. From above 7 heavens, Allah heard the voice of His servant in the depths of the ocean. And Allah says in the Quran, So we responded to him and saved him from distress. And thus do we save the believers. Quran 21:88. The whale rose to the surface and released Yunus alayhi salam safely onto the shore. The story of Yunus alayhi salam teaches us something powerful. No matter how lost you feel, Allah can still hear you. Even in your darkest moment, your dua can reach the heavens. Maybe today, you feel trapped by sadness, sins, anxiety, or loneliness. Remember Yunus alayhi salam. One sincere dua can change everything. Repeat this beautiful dua often. La ilaha illa anta subhanaka inni kuntu minaz zalimin. And never lose hope in the mercy of Allah.